like it broke the blower, at least.
So it was all the way at the end of the track, and just puff, little white puff of smoke.
Yeah. Yeah, dude, it sounded so weird. It was like, Phew!
Yeah.
I said in the GoPro, I'm like, I think it just broke the blower. But I know it didn't break the motor because the motor was still like running, right? And it didn't sound like it scattered the fucking motor.
Oh, it looks a little greasy.
A little greasy. We got another one at the shop. It's all cool.
See anything blow out of the cylinder from the ball?
Yeah. Full of shit.
Okay. All cleaned up and looking nice now.
This has to get cleaned up too.
Yeah. I don't think I can go on.
These swept through probably.
Yeah. Yeah, they're all nasty.
What size is your throttle body?
I think it's giant.
123 or something, I think it is. I don't know. It's about this big.
Yeah.
I think it's 123 or something. That manifold's nice.
Yeah, I like it.
You going to Cecil at all this weekend?
I didn't plan on it.
It's Yellow Bowl.
Huh?
It's Yellow Bowl.
I forgot.
We'll probably go down with Frankie.
Let me know what day you're gonna go.
I will. I gotta go look at the schedule. I gotta see what day they're doing the thing for the kids. You know what they do? Oh, you probably they have like a ton of toys that they give away to kids, and they do like a beanbag toss, and however old you are, it's how many steps back you take, and like they have like this whole competition for like every age kid or whatever. It's pretty neat. And I gotta see what day they're doing that. This is the first year she's old enough that she could actually do it. They didn't obviously have Yellow Bowl last year or whatever, so.
You thinking about doing the beanbag toss yourself? Taking 57 steps back?
Yeah, yeah. The sad thing is you would be young enough to fucking enter it. Special needs kids, they allow enter at any age.
Oh, okay. Do I only have to take like half as many steps back?
Yeah. As high as you can count, that's how many steps you gotta fucking take back.
Drop it in it.
Yeah. 0.
Well, I might be ready to start if I can find a couple other fittings. I think I'd feel better, you know, when we hear it running.
Oh, definitely. We gotta change the oil.
Oh yeah, definitely. Yeah. I just gotta bolt this on, block the blower. It's close, but it's not quite there.
That is a really hard job. You know that?
I agree.
Yeah.
I think about that often.
You must be exhausted when you go home.
Truly.
It's probably like, man, I can't wait to take a shower and lay down. Sweating all day.
The only bad days I have is when these guys are having bad days.
Yeah.
We don't have bad days.
Oh, yeah. What the?
Alright, Garrett, you want to
Need help lifting that thing on?
just guide me in? Tires will change, raise it up.
Check shocks. I can check the shocks actually when it's in the air. If you want to get it in the air and start doing the other shit, I'll check the shocks.
I didn't hate the idea.
Yes, moving that too. I wanted to do that.
Yeah.
Take that one out,
That one
put
out,
the other
put-
one in,
put
and put the
two
top
back.
one in. Yeah.
This one's 24, and yeah, I think that's like 38 or something.
16 pounds or 17 pounds difference or whatever. That's fine.
Matt, you want me to roll the other one?
Sure, all right.
Here's your babies. DO5. Come alive. 355. 48-inch high.
What's so special about those, man?
Well, Eric, I'd love to be able to talk to you about it, but I can't. I'd have to kill you. Not everybody can get their hands on these.
Is that right?
That's right.
That's a special blend, huh?
The DO5.
Huh?
Huh?
Special prototype, huh?
Yeah. We're gonna slip this thing up like a fucking
That thing gonna flip backwards tonight or what?
shaved butthole. As long as it flips over past the 60 feet, I don't care what it does.
I think they're gonna have to get in the back and get a fucking custom wheelie bar welded up back there.
Jared, I think you're gonna have to shut the f up. Okay. He's probably needs some fresh anti-seize at this point. Been apart 7 times in 2 weeks.
You gotta keep the sun off the tire.
Yeah. Sidewall get all soft. Okay, we're ready. Yeah, there's some cool stuff. I wouldn't mind walking around later.
So they got the jet thing up there.
Come forward to Cunair. Go back to Cunair. Oh, right there.
We are going back to Cali. Ooh, we got a little Evo rolling in. That's what I like to see, baby. That thing is dope. Clean as shit. Oh, wouldn't you like to have something cool like that instead of your fucking granny?
No, not
your
at all.
Granny daddy?
That thing's gay.
That thing would walk the down
no,
your
it would.
fucking pile of 4 doors.
Yeah.
You look like you got a fucking 70-year-old fucking Chevy Malibu.
Pretty cool stuff here tonight. Everything's pretty wild.
Holy sh**. That was first pass on these new tires. Then we changed a bunch of sh**. Weight, suspension. But holy sh**. It's never felt more stable and went more straight than it did right there. Holy sh**. That's it's good news, boys, because if it didn't go well tonight, I wasn't going to South Carolina because I wasn't going to do an 8-hour drive if we couldn't get the car to go down the track. So, good start to the night. Yo, I don't even need this slip.
No?
I sent it to you. I forgot Cecil has the app. You didn't see it?
No.
494, 151.
Dude, it looks good.
I mean, it
looks so
went
good.
dead straight.
Shoo! Look like we can throw about another 500 horsepower in it.
That was awesome. That was awesome to see.
Yeah, you have no idea, bro.
Yo,
You have no idea.
seriously. Fucking the other day sucked.
Figure might as well watch this while we're waiting for your ass.
At 276. Fran, when are you getting one of them?
What?
When are you getting one of them?
I don't want that dumb shit. I like shit with engines.
That's got an engine.
A jet engine.
Turbine.
Yeah, I like stuff with pistons. How about that?
can look on the Cecil app and see what it ran. That felt good as That felt real good. 485 at, oh my goodness, 156, almost 157. Holy shit. Fastest run to date, 125.60, 485 at 156.8. Man, God, that's such a relief, dude. After the other day of MIR, oh my God. It shook the tires a little bit again. Shook again. I don't get frustrated very often, but I'm getting a little frustrated now. 11 passes in a single day and we didn't make it down once, and whew. We're doing good, boys.
Let's go home.
That was awesome.
What do you think it went? Did you pull up the app?
488.
Went at 85 at almost 157.
Holy
Holy fuck.
Only a 125.60 too. It felt good as
Sure looked good too.
I bet it did, yeah. It felt good.
God. After, I don't know how much money I've spent on this thing this year. I don't even want to know. It really feels good to make solid passes in this thing, man. We struggled big time with this slick. Big time. Big learning curve for all of us involved. Eric Gold, who's helped me tune it, me, Matt, Don. Finally, we have a good car. Which, on paper, before I built it for this season, I thought we could have a good car. And man, after the season we've had so far, I was second guessing that. I wasn't sure if we could have a good car or not. Whew. But nights like tonight, let me know that we still can.